Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope all of you are doing good. In today's video, I created this dusty rose muted pink eyeshadow look. That's because I used this eyeshadow pigment from Makeup Revolution. I got it along with my highlighter from Myntra. I also bought this muted pink top from Myntra during the end of recent sale. And ever since I bought that eyeshadow pigment, I didn't know how to incorporate it in my makeup tutorials because I didn't have a lot of pink in my makeup stash. I have red lipsticks or neutral lipsticks. I don't have a pink lipstick. So I waited for my pink lipstick to arrive today, and it's from Nykaa. It is the So Matte range. This is the lipstick I'm wearing on my lips today, and I absolutely love how the entire makeup has turned out. I have gone a little bold with my eye makeup, like the pigment is a little extra, and even my kajal I have smoked it with a black eyeshadow. I generally do, but today I used a different technique, and that's why it looks extra bold. And it's not as complicated as you may think. I have actually broken down every single step for you in today's video, so make sure you watch the video till the end. So if you want to know how you can recreate this look, then please continue watching. Starting off with the moisturizer, I'm going to use the Garnier Wrinkle Lift Anti-Aging Cream. I'll wear it after I finish my makeup. For today's primer, I'm going to use the Inglot gel primer. Since I'm going to be working with pigment today, I thought of doing my eye makeup first, and to set my eyelids, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer first. So as usual, I did my left eye off camera so that it would be easier for me to concentrate just on one eye. So I'm going to start with my right eye, and I'm going to use all the colors from this Makeup Revolution Fortune Favours Brave palette. This is becoming my favorite palette after my Tarte palette. So I'm going to start with the shades. I'm just going to pinpoint at the shades because the plastic sheet that has all the names has fallen somewhere, and I can't find it right now, but I will leave the shade names in the description box that I've used. So let's start with the crease color, for which I'm going to take this peachish light orange color first. With the same brush, I'm going to take this dark purple color, which I believe is called Drama Queen. I have to check. So I'm going to take that color and apply it on my outer corner. Not very dramatic. As you can see, you can't see the dark plum color a lot. I'm not going for a smoky eye look, but just define my outer corner. For my lids, I'm going to take this color, which is kind of a rose gold. I'm not very sure if it's rose gold, but I'm going to take that shade. It seems like rose gold when I see it, but when I show it on the camera, it doesn't look like rose gold. So this is the color I'm talking about. I'm going to take it and apply all over my lids first. And for the pigment, I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution pigment in the shade, it says Pearl Pigments. I can't find the shade name, so I'll leave it in the description box. So this comes in a cap like this which has holes on it, so I can take some on the back of the cap but there are some left just on the surface. I'm going to take that. That will be enough for me for this entire lid. So this is how the pigment looks. As you can see, it's very soft and it's not like a big chunk of glitter that I'm applying. It's very easy to apply. It doesn't even look like it's a pigment. So let's start applying. So I've taken the plum shade just a little bit to apply it on my outer corner because the pigment has completely erased the color. So just a little bit. I'm just going to touch my brush over there so that the color again transfer back to my lid. So I did that and also set my eyebrows off camera. So let's move on to the base now. For foundation, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I'm in the shade 235 Pure Beige. I'm going to use the same LA Girl Pro concealer as my concealer today. I'm going to take my Fit Me loose powder and apply it only on the places where I've applied my concealer. I'm not going to set the full face because I'm going to use a liquid blush later. I'm going to take the benetint and apply it as my liquid blush today. Now I'm going to take my regular powder blush from Sugar Cosmetics and apply it above the liquid blush. For today's highlighter, I'm going to use the E.L.F. Baked Highlighter. I didn't want to use my Makeup Revolution highlighter today because the focus is on my eyes and I don't want to glow all over the face, and that's why I'm going to use the E.L.F. highlighter. Coming back to the eyes, I'm going to use my Colorbar liquid eyeliner today. I'm not going for a wing eyeliner, just a normal thick black eyeliner. So I'll do my eyes and I'll be right back. For today's kajal, I'm going to use the K-Beauty's kajal in the shade Spade. With your kajal, you can very well leave it here, but since we have done a very dramatic eyeshadow look, smudging this kajal with a black eyeshadow will give the eyes more intense and will look extremely bold, and I'm trying to go for such a look today. So going back to my Makeup Revolution palette, I'm going to grab this matte black shade. I think it's called the Revolution. I'm going to take that shadow and apply it just below my kajal, so that it gives a very smoky and a very bold look. As you can see, there's a huge difference between the first step and after I've smudged my kajal with a black eyeshadow. I generally set my kajal with a black eyeshadow, but today I just applied the eyeshadow a little below where I apply my kajal, and that's why it looks very smoked out. So for today's lipstick, I'm going to take the Nykaa So Matte Mini Lipstick in the shade Bare Minimum. I have used another shade from this range called Taupe Thrill, which is a neutral shade, but this is the first time I'm trying out this shade. So for first impressions, I really like this shade. This is the color that I have been searching for some time, because I don't have such a pink color in my vanity. So I think I really like it, and once I finish this mini size, I think I'll purchase the full size of it. But I really like the formulation of Nykaa's Ultra Matte more than the Nykaa So Matte range, but this color is like absolutely beautiful. I forgot to apply my mascara. I don't know why I keep forgetting that. So I'll quickly apply my mascara and be right back. So this is the final look. I've put the earrings back on, and I really like how the look has turned out. I was not very sure about how the eye makeup would turn out, but I absolutely love it. A wing eyeliner will absolutely go well with this look, but since I always do a wing eyeliner, I thought let me just skip it this time. And I like everything about this makeup. The base looks flawless. I like the lipstick, I like the smudged kajal look and everything. So if you like this video, then please do leave a comment and also subscribe to my channel so that you'll be notified when I upload my next video. There are some amazing fun videos coming up and even a makeup challenge coming up, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel so that you don't miss it. So I'll see you all super soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.